Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to cut a clean low round fade on Afro hair step by step. Pay close attention to each stage because every step builds the final result. First, start with no clipper guard and the lever fully closed. Create a barred guard line about 1 inch around the head. This is your first guideline, so keep it neat and even. Make sure you clean the hair properly around the neck area. Remember, this is a low fade, so avoid pushing the bad line too high. This step sets the foundation of the entire haircut. Next, open the clipper lever fully and create a second guideline slightly above the first one, following the same round shape. Be careful not to go too deep into the afro. Use gentle strokes. Stay relaxed and keep your hands steady and controlled. Now close the lever halfway and begin fading between the first and second guideline. Work gradually and focus on soft blending. This stage begins forming the smooth transition of your low round fade. Attach guard number 1 and open the lever fully. Start blending the second guideline into the afro gently. Work evenly around the head and avoid rushing the process. Consistency is the key here. Next, attach guard number 2 with the lever closed. Use it to remove the bulk and thick hair around the fade area. Go around the head carefully to soften heavy sections and prepare for detailed fading. Switch back to guard number 1. Lever fully open. Now begin your main fading process. Control your lever by opening and closing it where necessary. Use both upward and downward strokes to achieve a smooth blend. Take your time. Clean fade comes from patience and control. Remove the guard again and open the lever fully for detailing. Use the angles of your clipper to remove dark spots and define the blend. Proper detailing is what separates a professional barber from the rest. Close the lever halfway and trim the hair evenly to shape the haircut properly. This step balances the haircut and prepares it for line-up. Now use your trimmer or a fully closed clipper if you don't have a trimmer to line up the haircut. Focus on clean angles and sharp definition for a neat professional finish. As you can see, I don't use any enhancements. At Ojfc Barbershop, we keep everything natural and authentic. No fake effects, just skill, talent and technique. And here we have it, a clean, well-structured low round fade done professionally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more barber tutorials. See you in the next video.